Attention local business owners who are also plumbers. Are you getting dozens of phone calls to your plumbing business each and every day? Well, if not, stay tuned because we're going to discover how plumbers are locking down high-paying customers each and every month by ignoring their website and ignoring SEO. Hi, my name is James from AccuWeb Marketing, and my mission is to get the phone ringing with customers who want to hire you now. So a little history. For years, where your local website ranked organically mattered. In fact, studies used 5 to 7 years ago showed that if you were in the #1 spot on search engine results, you could expect to get about 40% of the clicks for a given keyword. Keyword being like broken pipe in your town, and you would come up and get 40% of those clicks. SEO providers and plumbing businesses then got a false sense of security, thinking that they were doing things well by tracking these keyword rankings. Again, like leaky faucet, broken pipe, install appliance, and more. But they never actually measured the metrics that mattered, like how often was the phone ringing and where were these phone calls coming from. New studies have shown that the consumers have had a change in their search behavior. And basically, it's because everybody's walking around with a cell phone now, a local mobile phone. So here's the hint, they're not visiting websites. The new method rewards big brands and companies that have exhibited a lot of authority or trust, or companies that have a lot of reviews. And the smaller plumbing businesses, like this gentleman right here, he's going to get pushed out. Just to show you what I mean, if we did a search for plumbers on Long Island, we're going to see an ad up top. We're going to see a big map with the businesses mapped out on it, 3 local plumbers, their websites, directions to their companies. Google really wants you to go there, basically. And then you're going to have the organic search, which is what SEO does. It makes you rank up near the top. But who's dominating the top? Well, we have those companies that have built up a lot of authority, like Yelp. There's one plumber here, then there's the Yellow Pages, then Angie's List, then Home Advisor, only one plumber on that whole list. So if you go back to these 3 businesses here on the Google 3-pack, they call it, those are the ones that are being shown predominantly. And if you look down here, more businesses, there are more than 3 plumbers in Long Island. So that's where they're all located, in more businesses. You don't want to be in more businesses because you're not being shown. Okay, so maps visibility matters more than ever right now. Meanwhile, organic rankings simply don't matter as much. #1, being in the 3-pack of Google Maps is the most visible place you can be. And why? Because it has the most real estate on the search results. It's the biggest item on there. And #2, consumer behavior has radically changed. They're visiting websites less and less. Instead, they see the 3-pack map listings, they read the reviews, and they either call now or they read more reviews and then they call a little bit later. And the data supports this. The data is telling us that year over year, 17% fewer people visit a business website after reading good reviews. The number of consumers who would visit a business as their next step after reading a good review has increased by 10%. And that's a study from Bright Local Consumer Review in 2017. Here's more of these results. They'll visit a website less and less, and they're going to look at more and more reviews and then go straight to the business. In fact, I predict that within 2 years, 50% of consumers will ever visit a website before taking action. They're simply going to go right, and they have the ability to call right out of Google Maps. So why pay SEOs to rank your websites? Especially when they're being swallowed up by huge directory-style sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, and the list goes on. So why spend time ranking a website when people aren't visiting it for local search? But it gets even better. Being ranked highly in 3-pack of maps goes beyond just visibility and ranking. It ties directly into a buying decision. And this research was done by Google, and it shows that 76% of people who conduct a local search contact a business within 24 hours, and 28% of those searches result in a purchase of service. So they're either calling your business or they're calling a competitor's business who's on the maps. But what does all this mean to you? That being highly ranked in the 3-pack of Google Maps is 100% vital to your success, especially in the years to come. It's only going to become more and more important, and that the phone is ringing in your business, and that's what Maps will provide. So having your website ranked simply no longer matters. It's not about your website anymore. It's not the thing that's going to make your phone ring. It's about online visibility through the maps and online reputation, your reviews. So stay tuned to get your free roadmap for local plumbers. The inside secrets that are in this roadmap include how to dominate your top 2 competitors so you ethically steal their business, and how to dramatically increase your online presence so you reach more customers. Also, how to be seen as a go-to authority even if you are not yet at this point. And lastly, and most importantly, how plumbers can get a steady stream of phone calls that will increase over time. So just get this roadmap for plumbers. It has everything inside there. And if you have any questions, contact our office. Thank you.